Let me ask you a question. When your mental health suddenly takes a hit, when anxiety comes out of nowhere, or when a wave of sadness or overwhelm just land on you, do you know what to reach for? Most of us don't. Think about it. When you have a physical injury, we usually have a first aid kit tucked away in a cupboard. Inside, it's got the basics: plasters, antiseptic, bandages, simple tools to stabilise the situation until things improve. But when it comes to our emotional health, most of us are just feeling our way in the dark. And that's the problem. Because when your emotional system is overloaded, the last thing your brain wants to do is try and figure out what might help. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here to help you achieve better mental health and emotional well-being. My name is Dominic Byrne, and for over 35 years I've worked as a psychotherapist, hypnotherapist and trainer, helping people to understand the wiring of their mind. And this channel, I share practical tools, the insight from psychology, psychotherapy, that help you navigate life with calm and resilience. Today we're getting very practical. I'm going to show you how to build your own mental health first aid kit. It's a personalised set of tools you can reach for the moment life feels like it's becoming too much. The strategy here is simple. Don't wait until you're overwhelmed to find a solution. You prepare in advance. You build a small collection of resources designed to do 4 things. 1. Calm your nervous system. 2. Regulate difficult emotions. 3. Move your mental state. And 4. Reconnect with support. Think of it as your psychological safety net. So in moments of high stress, your logical brain, the part that solves problems, actually becomes less active. When that happens, you don't need complicated strategies. You need simple tools that are ready to go. I've broken this down into 4 essential categories. Stick around until the end, and I'll also show you how to make a mini version you can carry in your pocket. Now the first category is sensory tools. Why start here? Because your nervous system communicates through your senses: sight, sound, touch, smell, taste. When emotions run high, grounding yourself through the senses pulls you out of your head and back into the present moment. Here are a few items you might include. First, touch. Something tactile can be incredibly grounding. Maybe it's a smooth palm stone, a stretch ball, or even a piece of fabric. Just holding that object and focusing entirely on how it feels can immediately signal to your mind to slow down. Second, smell. Smell is our most direct link to emotional memory. A small bottle of lavender, peppermint, or any scent you associate with calm can move your nervous system in seconds. Third, sight. Keep a physical photo that reminds you of something meaningful, a loved one, a peaceful landscape, or a symbol of your faith. Looking at something positive interrupts those negative thought loops. And finally, sound. This could be any track from your phone or even a recorded affirmation. Remember, your senses can regulate your body much faster than your thoughts can. The second category is emotional resources. These are the anchors that keep you from getting swept away when a feeling becomes intense. When we are distressed, we often feel lost. These resources act like a compass. For example, you might keep a small card in your kit with 3 grounding questions. Number 1, what am I feeling right now? Number 2, what actually triggers this? Number 3, what do I need in this exact moment? You might also include self-compassion reminders. Simple phrases like, this feeling temporary. I have survived difficult moments before. Or I can handle this one step at a time. I also recommend writing breathing instructions. Yes, we all know how to breathe, but when panic sets in, we forget. Write it down. In for 4, hold for 4, out for 6. Having it written down takes the thinking out of the process. Category number 3, mental reset tool. These are tools that faithfully change your internal experience. Not just distractions, but resets. The first mental reset tool is movement. A quick physical reset tells your nervous system we are safe. It could be a 2-minute walk, some simple stretching, or even just shaking the tension out of your arms. The second mental reset tool is a mental reset exercise. A classic is 5-4-3-2-1 method. Name 5 things you see, 4 things that you can touch, 3 things you can hear, 2 things that you can smell, and 1 thing you can taste. The third mental reset tool is music. Music is one of our most powerful emotional regulators. I suggest having a rescue playlist with 3 or 4 songs that personally uplift you. The fourth category might be the most important one. Connecting lifelines. When we struggle, our instinct is to often withdraw. We hide away, but humans aren't designed to carry everything alone. Your kit should include a list of people you can reach out to. A friend, a family member, a therapist, or a support line. Write their names and phone numbers down. Why? Because when you're in deep distress, even looking through your contact list can feel like too much of an effort. Having that number right in front of you removes the barrier to getting help. And please remember, reaching out is not weakness. It's one of the most smartest, healthiest strategies we have. Now let's do something together right now. Take a second and ask yourself, what is one thing that helps me feel slightly calmer when life gets hard? Is it a certain song? A prayer? A certain person? Write that one thing down. Congratulations, you just started your kit. You don't need to build the whole thing today. Just start with one. So what did a finished kit look like? It could be a small box on your bedside table containing an essential oil, a grounding stone, a card with breathing steps, a photo of a happy memory, and your list of lifelines. But here's the pro tip, the mini kit. Create a version that fits in your wallet or in your phone case. A single affirmation card, a meaningful photo, or a contact number. Sometimes just knowing that kit is in your pocket provides a sense of comfort before you even use it. Your mental health matters, and just like physical health, it benefits from a little preparation. So I want to challenge you. Take some time this week to build your kit, because when the difficult moment arrives, and they will, you won't have to try to figure it out. Why? Because you'll be ready. Now, if this video gave you some value today, please hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel. It really helps me reach more people. And if you'd like to support the work I'm doing here, there's a link in the description where you can buy me a copy. I would truly appreciate it. Until the next time, as always, remember to be kind to yourself and kind to others. I'm Dominic Boom, wishing you all better mental health and emotional well-being. I'll see you in the next video.